How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you saw my last video, you'll seen that I was removing my rear seats in my Honda Civic EG. The reason being is because it's in that box right there. It's a JC Clubsport rear bootable, like false floor kit. So I've got a custom red one made. It's literally in the box. I'll show you what I've got, and we'll fit it in the EG. Right, guys, so this is a box. It's already been opened because I had to check it if it was the right thing or not. That's what it is. The false floor for the Honda Civic EG. I've got it in a custom red. So I'll take it out and I'll check it in the car. Right, guys, so this is just a test fit. This is what it looks like once it's in. It's not flush yet, so that's one piece and that's two pieces there. It looked good once it's fit in, so just gonna mess about with it now, try to get it flush, screw it all up, and let's see what it looks like. Right, guys, so I took it out to connect these two together, and I realised this bit's shorter, so I've got to mark it where it sits. So I've got a pen now. I'll give it a quick nice little mark on both sides, and then let's screw it together. Right, guys, so literally for the past 45 minutes to an hour, I've been putting screws in, put it in the car, and on the way in it'll either come out or it won't be right, if you get what I mean. So literally I'm gonna leave it for now. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the garage and I'll do it there. But literally that's about it. It's in, if you can see it. Let me turn the camera around. So it's in, literally just needs screwing in. I'll probably just put some self tappers in. It does look good. I need to find a carpet though for the fronts. Like I said, I dropped battery acid, so it's literally got rid of everything. So I might just match it with this. What do you think? Do you think it's too much red? Because the car's red, interior's red, steering wheel's red. I've got some. I want to get some red Recaro seats. But we'll see. I'm thinking of changing the colour to a bright colour, so that I'll go well with the red. But I do like the look of the red and red together. But we'll see. So I'll join you guys tomorrow at the garage. Right, guys, it's a few days later. Come down to Civic Autos. Literally put them screws in. And it should literally slot straight in. So let's see. Right, guys, that's the first bit screwed in. So literally that's what it looks like. Just got that back bit now. Right, guys, so if you can see behind me, it is now done. It is done. I've got my EG boot lid, which someone's coming for, so I thought I'll bring it home with me. It is done. It was a mission to fit. I wouldn't say a mission. It was literally just too much faffing around. So this sat in perfectly, the bottom bit. And then the top bit, I really had to take more bits off from the interior to get it to fit. And then it weren't lining up. So what I had to do was, where the seat sits in, where the bolts go in to connect the seats together, that little thing, that metal thing, I had to hammer it down so it flats out, and then this just sits on top of it. Sounds nice, that. Yeah, so it literally just flattens out and it just sits in perfectly. So I'll get some pictures for you, I'll put on the screen. This literally took me 3 days to do. First day because if you've not seen, I hurt my wrist. I got injured in football, so I couldn't really do it. I thought I'll get Civic Autos to do it, but then I thought, for content wise, I'll do it myself. So literally went to the unit, got the drill out, everything, and literally just got back home now, and it is done finally. The funny thing is, it's coming straight back out in a couple of weeks anyways, because I'm getting the car booked in for bodywork. So this is all gonna come out. I'm literally gonna do a full, like everything, full respray inside out, rust repair, everything. So it's coming back out. So all the effort I put in, it wasn't worth it. But the video is done now, so I can take it out, put it back in, and I know the process now. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I shall see you guys in the next one.